I got the Sonic Movie 2 surprise toys in the mail today. Look, Sonic Movie 2 egg. I wonder what in it. Oh my god. I wonder what it is. I hope it's Sonic. Oh my god, we got Sonic. Look, I got his ring. I got his ring. Oh my god, guys. I got Sonic. Oh my god. It's so epic. Okay, and then you guys might be surprised, but look what I got. I got the Sonic Movie 2 box. Okay. Time to see what is in it. Oh my god, it's so epic! I got Sonic Movie 2 figure. A Sonic. Look at where he can run. Oh my god. He can die. Oh my god. Oh my god, I got Jim Carrey Robotnik. Oh my god, he got coffee? Latte? Oh my god. And finally, Sonic Movie 2 plushie? Oh my god, it's so epic.